you like Arabian salads, watch this video. Stay tuned it. Where is my knife? Fattoush salad. Cut the pita bread in any shape you like. Add sumac, pull biber and olive oil to it and stir gently. Let it roast in the oven for 15 minutes. For the sauce, the first step is to mix the sumac with boiling water well. In the second step, in a deep bowl, mix molasses pomegranate paste, sour lemon, honey, sumac mixture, olive oil, dried mint, black pepper, and salt well. This texture is perfect for sauce. Let's start chopping salad vegetables. Chop the cucumber gently. Remove the center of tomato for better salad quality, like me. It's so crunchy. Cut the radish as well. Remember, the size of the vegetables should be suitable so that we can easily eat it with a fork. Use a spring onion and parsley to complete the aroma of the salad. And in the last step, chop the lettuce. Arrange the vegetables in a deep bowl and serve it with the sauce. This salad is the best option for those who are on a diet or are vegetarian. Stay tuned with me. Tabbuoleh salad. In a deep bowl, mix the bulgur with olive oil and lemon juice and set it aside until the bulgur becomes soft. Finally, chop the parsley and add it. Chop the mint and spring onion like parsley and put them in a bowl. Remove the center of tomatoes like I do, which makes the salad watery. At the end, add garlic, salt and pepper and done. Serve it in any way you like and enjoy. This salad is also great for those who are on a diet and looking for healthy snacks. Enjoy your meal!